Vaseline should be your best friend. I don't know why people will wake up by 2 and be eating rice. Ha! This one is a non-negotiable. You should not be caught smelling, having funny smell. And you know the smell is not, it's not the normal regular smell. I don't know if you girls are following me. We shouldn't even catch you outside like you are looking like your problem. Hello, so welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amelie Becky there. And if this is the first time you are seeing me, hi, thank you for stopping. And if it is not your first time of seeing me, hello, thank you so much for coming back again, okay? Oh, my mic is like this. Thank you so much for coming back again. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys the simplest, cheapest beauty maintenance girl-to-girl tips, okay? Yeah, let's get straight into the video. Now, the first thing I have here is bathing 2 times daily. All of you that bathe once in a day, are there people that still bathe once in a day? No matter, regardless of anything, the cold, the weather, harmattan, please, please take your bath morning and night. Now, most especially the night bath. The night bath is more important than even the day bath to me, okay? Because during the day, after sweating, you go to the markets, come back, you cook, you do this, you do that, you just stress yourself all over the place and you do not take your bath, you climb your bed. Ha! Hey! Don't do that, oh. Do not, because imagine going to bed with all of the sweat from your body, all of the stress, the dirtiness of the day, your legs. How do you guys do it? Please, 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 let's stop it, okay? 2 times bathing, 2 times. We are agreeing now that everybody will be bathing. Imagine going to bed with all of the sweat from your body, the dirtiness of the day, your legs. How do you guys do it? Please, 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 let's stop it, okay? Because even 3 times, because sometimes after having carrying out some serious activities during the day, when you get back home, you should actually shower. But for just the context of this video, we're going to just be emphasizing on 2 times per day. The second thing I wrote down here is having a skincare routine. You guys, I cannot overemphasize this thing. If you have a skincare routine, please and please maintain it, okay? Maintain it daily. And if you do not have a skincare routine, what I'm going to advise you is basically to apply your body lotion 2 times a day. And then there are cheap baby oils that you could use for your face and all of that. And trust me, the glow, I'm telling you, try this, the glow will be massive. Trust me, your skin will glow and you will thank your stars, okay? Another beauty trick that will save your life is avoiding late night food. I don't know why people will wake up by 2 and be eating rice. Ha! You're eating eba, you're eating something really, don't do that, please, okay? Do not do that. Our body works in different ways. I might even eat by 2 and not probably see effects at that moment or at that year, but it's adding up. So you want to avoid late night food to just stay healthy. Your stomach is a bit free before going to bed, you know, your food will have time to do all of its work it's actually supposed to do while you're sleeping, okay? So eat as early as you can, as early as 5 p.m., 6 p.m. 7 is acceptable and all of that, okay? Now, another beauty maintenance tip is always getting your eyebrows shaped. Like me, I do not really like having those arc and all of that, but I always make sure that my brows are well brushed, okay? My brows are brushed, they are well arranged daily. There's something you can also do. You can just apply like a little Vaseline on your brow area while you're going out, just to just have like a well lit face, okay? That helps your face, and it's sometimes when you have your brow shaped, it's like a game changer for so many persons. It just gives your face these lifts and you know just makes your look all put together, okay? Another maintenance tips is having your lips always moisturized. See, in this, we should not be having ashy or cracked lips. No, 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 please do not do that. Now, if you do not like these glossy lips and all of that, you have little lip balms that you can just apply, you know, just to keep your lips moisturized. Or you could go ahead to use your Vaseline. Use Vaseline to moisturize before leaving your house. There's just a way Vaseline just helps your lip just stay soft all throughout the day, okay? So if you do not want to use gloss, I think you should just opt for something that will just help you just stay soft and just avoid those cracky lips, okay? If you're not the nails kind of girl, okay, if you have nails, short nails, long nails, try your best to keep them neat, okay? Now, if you're the nails girl, I advise you go for press-on nails. You can easily pull them off at any time, fix them up anytime. You know, just it just helps you, like, just effortlessly throws up your look, okay? Your hands are neat and make sure your hands are always moisturized. You guys, Vaseline should be your best friend. We shouldn't catch you seeing colored white ashy things on your hands. Moisturize your hands before leaving the house. Moisturize your palm, make them soft, all of those things. So Vaseline is your best friend, okay? You like short nails, always keep them short, always keep them neat. Even your nails after fixing them, you shouldn't be caught having, soup, eba, all of those kind of things, rice, or just clustered items. No, your nails shouldn't be seen having those things. Okay, take water, drink water. If you see someone that is dehydrated, you will easily know. It's showing in their eyes, it's showing in how their face looks. Take enough water, as much as you can take. Just drink water. Drink water before going to bed. Drink water after waking up from sleep. I basically try my best to do this one. Drink water after waking up from sleep because it just helps your system. Like now, in the long run, you're going to thank yourself because if you keep up with this habit for 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 20 years, 10 years, 30 years down the line, trust me, you will thank your health. So, water should be something you incorporate into your life. It helps you stay moisturized, it helps your face. As a lady, please, let's just always be looking sharp, and water is one of the ways to help you look, elevated, like your face is just elevated up there. Okay, always use water after the use of toilets. Please, oh, do not be caught that no. I don't even want to think about it. Do not be caught that you did not use water, you use tissue and all of that. Tissue is fine, but it's not the best, okay? It's not the best. So I would advise you, whenever you use the toilet, you urinate, you poop, just get water to just wash up properly, to avoid unnecessary smell, unnecessary, just allow that place not to be damp, okay? After washing off, you just basically get a dry towel, dab it in there to just dry up yourself before, leaving the toilet and all of that. After using water, you can use tissue to, just dry down that area, okay? Now, it's going to save you a whole lot of stress. You know how all these things are, people go about walking here and there and they are smelling, and the smell is not, it's not the normal regular smell. I don't know if you girls are following me. It's not the normal regular smell, that kind of thing. Water and a dry pieces or a dry towel or like a tissue to just clean up that area will help you so much, okay? If you find yourself an an AC environment, I would highly recommend you have like a little Vaseline always in your bag. Always moisturize your hands, and not just your hands, moisturize your neck before spraying your perfumes and all of those things, okay? This one is a non-negotiable. In whatever you are doing, do not allow your money for perfume. I saw this as a comment somewhere and I'm like, yeah, I'm going to take this. Someone said, in whatever you're doing, do not allow your money for perfume and deodorant finishes. Mm-mm, mm-mm. As a girl, you should not be caught. You should not be caught smelling. You should not be caught looking shabby. You should not be caught having funny smells. Okay. So if you always have like a monthly income and all of that, you should just make plans for all of this on a monthly basis. It might not be like it might not finish in exactly 1 month, but 2 months, 3 months. Just plan for this, okay? Invest in good soaps that you can use for your body, good perfumes, roll-ons, sprays, body spray. Now you don't even need to break the bank. You will just gather different types of oil perfumes and just apply them on different areas of your body, your wrist, your hand, your neck. You just apply some to your clothes, and trust me, you go out there and you're smelling like a banger. Everybody will be like, you're smelling, I can't just speak this scent. Do you get? Because you're smelling so nice, like a combination of things, and it's not easily, someone cannot easily just guess the perfume and say, oh, this is what this girl applied, okay? So you don't need to break the bank. You can get cheap oil perfumes for 1,000 naira, for 500 naira, as the case may be. Sef. Then if you're not a roll-on person, I would advise you use lime and lemon. You can use that daily. I heard it works. And one thing that I also do is to mix lime and lemon together for my armpit areas to just avoid the dark areas and all of that. And yeah, you could do this 2 times in a week, 3 times in a week. You could do this 3 times in 2 weeks, as the case may be. This point is also a non-negotiable. Find your hairstyle. We shouldn't catch you on crazy braids, hairstyles that you make that do not fit your face, that do not enhance your beauty, okay? So try your best to to know the kind of hairstyles that suit you. If you don't have the money for a wig now, what kind of hairstyles actually suit you? Is it cornrows? You know, there are people who, if they make cornrows, they look like $1 million box. There are styles of hairstyles coming up now that you could easily just, throw up those look and you look so put together. So there are simple cornrow styles that you use with just, those small attachments that they sell for 1,800 naira. You could use half of those small attachments to make like beautiful cornrows. Understand your hairstyles, what works for your face, what lifts your face up. If you do not have edges, understand the kind of hairstyles you have to make, to avoid those things, and or probably, get creams to apply, just do your thing, okay? And basically understanding the hairstyle that works for you, it is perfect. If it is cornrows, then do it and make it neat. While doing your cornrows, ensure that your brows are shaped, ensure that your nails are on point, ensure that your lips are always well moisturized, okay? Having clustered lashes. This one just takes the look from 0 to 100. Okay. Now there are ladies who they'll just wake up in the morning and probably just go to get something, buy something from nearby stores and all of that. And you see them because of the lashes they have on their face, they still look put together. We shouldn't even catch you outside like you are looking like your problem. You're not a lash person, it is totally fine. Okay, just do you. Okay, just do you. But if you want to be a lash person with as little as like 16,000 naira, 18K, 20K, you've gotten your lashes fixed. Okay, and you can basically use that for like 3 weeks and all of that. Okay, so I'm not saying you must do that, but if you like it, I think you should go for it. So always make yourself look good, put together. You want to go to church, what's the best way you could what's the best of yourself you could get? You could put your things together to just look like $1 million box. Okay, that's all I have for you guys in this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment for me down in the comment section. Share this video if you found it very, very helpful, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, don't forget to stay blessed and fabulous. Bye.